What type of ADUs are allowed in the city of Los Angeles? Stay tuned for more in this video. Hey everybody, Jackie Hu here, your local real estate expert. I make videos for buyers and sellers, giving them the tips and tricks to the real estate game. So tune in every Tuesday and Friday for more videos. Today I'm going to be covering the 3 different types of ADUs allowed by the city of Los Angeles. The first type of ADU allowed by the city of Los Angeles is the most common, I don't want to use the word basic, but basic accessory dwelling unit. This is most commonly seen in a converted garage, a guest house, a separated single family unit. This ADU is what everybody's been talking about for the last few years. The next 2 ADUs that I'm going to talk about are a little bit different. Speaking of other ADUs, the second ADU that is allowed by the city of LA is called a junior accessory dwelling unit, or junior ADU. The biggest difference between a junior ADU and a normal ADU is that the junior ADU can only be 500 square feet or less. It must be enclosed within the single family residence, and it has occupancy requirements. So if you add a junior ADU to your lot, that means that the owner, you the owner, or whoever buys it from you, must live in the junior ADU, or they must live in the single family home. The third type of ADU, which you might not be as familiar with, are movable tiny homes. These differ from junior ADUs and ADUs because there's no foundation and they're movable, so they can move. Movable tiny homes must be between 150 to 430 square feet. They must be an enclosed space that's intended for independent living. They must be registered with the DMV. They can no longer operate on public highways. They also should not be able to operate on their own power anymore, and they should adhere to certain fire and safety standards. If you have any more questions about any of these ADUs or want to talk to me about different options for your house or the house that you're thinking about buying, I'd love to be a resource for you. So if you have any questions or want to talk real estate, think #who's your realtor who cares, and I hope you have a wonderful day.